Me out like a light,
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 like a light.
Yeah, Pastor Dawson Shelly sending texts, ain't sending kites. Yeah, he say keep that on like I.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and we're gonna do a lucha libre wrestler last minute DIY costume. This totally inspired me because I used to watch it when I was younger, and all these wrestlers had like these nice masks, these cool masks, and yeah, we're gonna DIY one for less than $5. So let's get started. I already have my eyebrows done, so we don't take more time, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit more of foundation in my face because we are gonna use glue, so we have a layer of protection under the skin. I'm just gonna use my NYX control drop for my foundation, and the shade is Beijing. And I also saw a video of Nikita Dragon, and that also inspired me more to create this little DIY costume mask. And the supplies that we're using are, so I bought these pantyhose at Walgreens. They were like buy 3 for $2. And I also bought some different colors. I bought like the color of my skin, a white one and the black one. So I bought different ones, but we're gonna go with the black one today. And hopefully it turns out good. Okay, after you've done that, I'm just gonna put my hair, I'm gonna comb it back. I'm just gonna braid my hair. You can leave this out, the little braid, or you could tuck it in once you put on the mask. Okay, now I'm gonna take out my pantyhose. I got regular and queen. I didn't know what the difference was, but queen is lighter and the regular ones are the actual black. See, these are black. And I bought the ones that are just to the knee. And they are really thin, so you have to be very careful with these. I did buy a different kind. These were like, I think $3. So this one's like a thicker consistency. So either you could go with a thicker consistency one, and it does also go up to your ankle. But this could do also, this one's fine as well. I'm just gonna go with a thin one for today. And you know, for the day of Halloween, I'll probably use the thicker one. So I'm just gonna put it on my face, the mask, carefully. And it's like a cap, like if I'm wearing like a cap. So you have to be very careful because you see how it's stretched. It stretches so much and it can start to rip or whatever. That's the only downside about this. So you just have to be careful, or you can layer different kinds. So I'm just gonna pull it down as much as I can, and now I look like a freak. So after you're done pulling the pantyhose, you know, you're secure, you look like a robber. This could be a robber mask too, but we ain't trying to be a robber, we're trying to be cute. You're gonna, I can't even see, guys. It's, the struggle is real. But this is, I can't. Hello, look at my eyebrows. I just did them. So after you're done this, hello guys, how are you? Can't see. I'm gonna grab my scissors. I can't see. So I'm just using the scissors I used to cut my lashes. So this is what I'm using. So I'm just touching where my eye is and carefully carefully making a hole because they are pantyhose. They do rip really easy, guys. And just do the same to the other side. Carefully, don't poke your eye. Oh my god. Some of your lashes, because then you'll be screwed. You won't have any lashes. So these pantyhose do cut. See how it's already ripping? So you have to be very careful with it. Just very gently start cutting, and it's okay if the thing is cutting up here. But we're gonna cover it anyway, so you don't have to worry about that, but just be very careful. And now I'm gonna cut the mouth slowly. Twinkle texture eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna use this one. They sent it a few days ago. Okay, I'm gonna use this one, the maroon color one, my outer corner and my inner corner. And I'm gonna put it in the middle. Ooh, oh my gosh. This glitter's popping. I'm gonna use my Lily lashes. Walmart, you guys. These gems. They were like $2, and this one's like medium, small, medium, large. All these smalls, and I bought a large one. So now we're just gonna create. So remember, it don't matter that you rip some. We're gonna cover that up because this is a mask. Start with the big ones. I'm gonna start adding these to the back of my head, and they are already. They do stick, but I want them to stick more. Any brush, glue, put more glue on here, so this could actually stick very well to my head. And don't worry, if it gets on your hair, it comes off. So I'm just gonna add this one, like I guess right here, like this. Straight down in the middle. So yeah, just keep on adding the glue on here so everything could stick really well. So I'm just gonna keep adding. I don't have any particular pattern, so this is the fun part. You could go ahead and create any pattern that you want. So guys, there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is last minute DIY Halloween wrestler costume. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below any other suggestions, and subscribe to my channel. Besos, los quiero, and see you in my next video. Bye!